Okay, the first forecast calculation we're going to make is the Excel forecast sheet. This one is the only one that generates a sheet automatically as part of the process, so we don't need to create it. So if you go back to Excel and on our original data sheet, go Control Home to make sure you're cell at A1. We're going to select the dates data, the quarters data, and the historics. Go Shift and down, and while you're still holding Shift, go up 4 quarters so that you're not selecting the target year, and then go across one to get the historic data. And now you can let go of Shift, and it's Alt A FC. Now note that the date that they're using for their forecast end date is not the same one that we want to use, and we want to change that to be, you'll notice on line 49, A49, that my last date is June 30th, 2023. Whatever line yours is, it might not be 49, but we're going to put that date, if I hit Tab, into where the date slot is in the bottom left hand of the Create Forecast worksheet. I'm going to type in 2023-06-30 and then enter. And there it is. And if you go, right now I'm in cell A1, if I go N down, you'll see that in the third column, the C column, this is the data that we want generated. The other D and E columns, those are the lower bounds and the upper bounds of confidence, but these are the data that we're actually going to use. And you'll notice that there's a chart here. You can get back into the chart by going Control-Alt-5. And actually, I'm going to escape out of that. I'm going to scroll up so I can actually see it. And I'm going to bring it over. So Control-Alt-5. And I'm going to use my arrow keys to bring it over. And yeah, it doesn't seem to have any seasonalities. The middle line, the middle orange line, is the one that we're using. And then I'm just going to escape, and I'm going to rename this sheet 4 the Excel forecast. So that's F6 to get down there, and then menu, R for rename, and then enter. And that's the first forecast.